I came to the University of Oklahoma in 1946 from the atomic bomb project to be a special instructor in chemical engineering, and also worked toward a doctor's degree. The thing that I found back in 1946, for example, things were chaos. The GIs were coming back. We didn't have enough rooms. We didn't have enough chairs. We didn't have enough books. We didn't. In fact, things were so tight that those of us that were teachers were stockpiling chalk, because you'd go into a room to teach and there was no chalk. And so what happened was, here were these teachers running around with their own private chalks. I'd have 30 or 40 kids in the class, and the classes I took had 30 or 40 kids in oftentimes, although they were graduate classes. What happened was, I had one class, for example, in a room that had been a storeroom. The lights were dim, the ceiling was fairly low, and I had 2 portable blackboards was all. In fact, the light was so dim, I wasn't sure I could see the kids in the back row. The students were committed to learn. They were GIs. Many of these kids had never gone to college or wouldn't have gone to college without the GI Bill. Okay. The teachers, on the other hand, were overworked and underpaid, and what happened, they were committed also. And so this commitment, I think, was the key to the fact that these kids did so well and set a standard which we still have in the college. Kids you don't learn by listening. You don't learn passively. You have to be involved. And even though we have all these wonderful learning aids, you never learn very much by just taking notes in class or listening to professors. He is there to help you to learn, but you do the learning yourself. Learning is a proactive thing.
Yes, sir.
And when you cram for a quiz, you may get a good grade on the quiz, but you don't have much in your permanent memory to carry with you away from school. Or the key to all this, then and I think now, is that you have to put into the education what you're going to get out.